Diamanti, the founder of Intelligent Storage for Kubernetes, solves the customer's challenge of container-based hybrid clouds with a simple and cost-effective platform for managing Kubernetes applications and data. Welcome to the feature walkthrough of Diamanti's Ultima Accelerator 3.8. Ultima Accelerator is a turnkey Kubernetes HCI appliance featuring a Kubernetes distribution, Diamanti's CNI and CSI plugins for advanced storage and networking services, which provides best-in-class performance for applications, databases, and AI and machine learning workloads running in containers or VMs. Through Ultima Accelerator's quality of service capabilities for storage and networking, companies can run mission-critical, stateful, and stateless enterprise workloads, achieving deterministic I/O performance, higher throughput, and lower their TCO across all industries. This release adds support for Kubernetes version 1.28. Generic ephemeral volume support is enabled in Diamanti CSI. This release also adds support for running pre-flight checks for upgrades that will help in reducing the cluster upgrade window. Kubernetes 1.28 has many enhancements, including the supported version skew between different Kubernetes components has been expanded. So now you can make a minor version upgrade to nodes just once a year and still stay within upstream support. If a node shuts down unexpectedly or ends up in a non-recoverable state, it's now possible to restart stateful workloads on a different node. You can now continue to test and build cluster capabilities on top of swapped memory usage. It's now possible to specify if you want the control plane to make new pods as soon as the previous pods begin termination, or only after they are fully terminated. Kubernetes can now handle pod failures for every index job, independently, allowing the complete execution of all indexes and avoiding unnecessary retries of consistently failing indexes. Kubernetes now provides official support for sidecar containers, eliminating problems caused by sidecar containers that either start too late or keep running too long. There's now a more flexible way to validate workloads at admission on Kubernetes clusters, using the common expression language and without relying on external software. Now you can specify match conditions for admission webhooks, narrowing the scope of when Kubernetes makes a remote HTTP call at admission time. PVCs without an assigned storage class will now be retroactively updated to include the default storage class, so they don't get stuck in an unbound state, and storage provisioning works seamlessly. Generic ephemeral volumes offer a versatile and convenient option for pods requiring temporary storage beyond local empty dir capabilities. Generic ephemeral volumes offer each pod a temporary directory for storing data that gets deleted when the pod terminates. With Diamanti CSI, applications can take advantage of provisioning high-performance block devices for their ephemeral volume needs. Here, we have included provisioning of generic ephemeral volumes in the pod spec section. When this spec is deployed, the Diamanti CSI provisions a block device for the ephemeral volume and mounts it into the pod, zeroing out the data in its folder. An application can use this mounted volume for short-term storage, but get higher performance than empty dir. When the pod is deleted, the ephemeral volume is also deleted, as desired. This release adds support for running pre-flight checks that can be run to verify the cluster state before the cluster upgrade window. A user can run a simple command that lists the status of nodes, services, ports, and other resources on the cluster to ensure that the cluster is ready for upgrade. See the release supporting documentation for more information, as well as further information about individual features and upgrade operations. If you would like to schedule a free demo, trial, proof of concept, speak with our Kubernetes certified engineering team for any of our products, please visit diamanti.com/contact or call Sid Singh at 408-539-3283 today.